You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
28.1% of Korean job switchers now want an entirely different function than the one they're in, up from 27.0% a year ago. Employers group KEF just said profit-linked bonuses aren't up for negotiation, period. Bank insurer lending gaps are widening as households chase higher loan limits outside the banks. And Kakao Bank posted a 2.13% profit margin, beating every major bank, while its pay controversy keeps growing. It's Tuesday, August 18th. Let's talk about a trend affecting young professionals in Korea. Job platform Catch analysed 23,443 mid-career job seekers and found more of them chasing a full career pivot instead of staying in their lane. The Korea Employers Federation, known as KEF, is pushing back hard against unions demanding profit-linked bonuses and a say in factory decisions. Meanwhile, tightening bank mortgage limits are pushing borrowers toward insurers and driving up deposit loan spreads across the banking sector. Here's what the numbers show. 6,582 of those 23,443 job seekers, or 28.1%, now want a different function entirely or an added one, versus 27.0% a year earlier. Insurer mortgage balances hit 18.18 trillion won, about $12.9 billion in July, rising for a fourth straight month as insurers' 50% debt limit beats banks' 40% cap. The Bank of Korea lifted its base rate from 2.50% to 2.75% last month, and deposit loan spreads at the five major banks range up to 0.44 percentage points apart, while regional banks show gaps up to 2.85 points. Kakao Bank's net interest margin hit 2.13% this quarter, above KB's 1.74% and Shinhan and Hana's 1.61%, even as average employee pay hit 63 million won, about $44,600 in the first half. KEF also wants expanded flexible and shift-based working hours written into the new megazone law for strategic industries. So what does this mean for early career professionals in Korea? Earlier, we said more workers are chasing a full function switch. Here's what that actually means for you. Staying narrowly specialized is getting riskier if your sector, like IT or design, already has low mobility. Tighter lending and rising rates mean any near-term home purchase plans need a wider financing cushion than last year. And with KEF pushing back on profit sharing, don't expect performance bonuses tied to company profit to become standard anytime soon. Things to watch. The Bank of Korea's August 27th rate decision. How banks respond to the government's new 3% household loan growth cap, and whether the megazone labour flexibility law advances in the Assembly. That's today's AI Prism, Early Careers. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a WAN IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.